welcome to Twist Fashion DIY. This is a super simple tutorial how to make a mask for a masquerade ball. So all you will need is some black felt or fabric, maybe even some lace, just whatever fabric you fancy, some ribbon or elastic to tie it to your head, some feathers, a nice diamante piece or applique, some super glue and some scissors. So all I've done is drawn the pattern on paper, which measures 20 centimeters by round about 8. I'm going to cut a little bit higher than that and a little bit longer, but the eyes are in about the right space, so let's go from there. So it doesn't need to be any lower. You can always use chalk to draw around your pattern, but I prefer to use pins, otherwise you're left with chalk marks sometimes. So there, and then I can cut that off. There we go. Cut that into a point, so it's the same on both sides. To cut the pattern, I folded it in half so it's symmetrical, but I must make it a bit more smoother and look nice. Right, take the pattern off. Oh wait, the eyes. Oopsie daisies. Ow! Don't stab yourself with the pin. Oh dear. Right, so I'm just going to cut through there. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Don't cut yourself. Right. So I've actually folded it in half and I'm going to cut around it. There we go. You can always even it out, but like I said, it's just super easy. Sorry, super easy and quick mask if you need one. Right, should be all right. Right, be professional. Right, and then you can glue on your feathers. It can be peacock or ostrich. Let's do that. Sticky, sticky. Sorry. Right. I don't know. I've got the giggles. And then I'm going to stick on my diamante. Right, and you can either sew on the ribbon or elastic or glue it on. Just to show you, I'm going to glue it on. There. You could also put some hot glue on there and then paint it gold, but I'm just going to keep mine quite plain. And then so you stick your ribbon on there and then you can tie it to your head. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe for more. I've got Gatsby headbands, millinery, and all sorts of DIYs that I have to show. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.